In today's video, we're diving into 5 advanced tips to help you get the most out of Surfshark VPN. If you already use Surfshark but want to understand its deeper features, or if you're still deciding whether it's the right VPN for you, this video is going to walk you through everything you need to know to unlock its full potential. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and this is the VPN Nerds channel, where we break down VPN tools, online security software, and privacy tech in a way that's easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make Surfshark run faster, safer, and more efficiently so you can browse, stream, and work online with total confidence. Let's get into it. So first off, let's start with the basics. What is Surfshark VPN? Surfshark is a virtual private network that encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, which keeps your online activity private and secure. It essentially works by routing your connection through an encrypted tunnel to one of Surfshark's secure servers around the world. This makes it look like you're browsing from another location, which helps you bypass censorship, unblock content, and stay safe on public Wi-Fi. What really sets Surfshark apart from other VPNs is its balance of speed, security, and simplicity. You can install it on almost any device like phones, laptops, tablets, TVs, and protect unlimited devices under one account. It's for people who really care about privacy, but really prioritize a smooth browsing and streaming experience as well. Before we dive into the advanced tips, let's take a closer look at what Surfshark actually offers out of the box. The first big feature is unlimited device connections. This means you can install Surfshark on every device you own, your phone, laptop, smart TV, and tablet, and connect them all at once under your subscription. Most VPNs these days limit you to 5 or 10 devices, but Surfshark removes that cap completely. It's one of the few VPNs that makes sharing your account with your family or team members really easy. Next is fast global server coverage. Surfshark has thousands of servers in more than 100 countries, which gives you plenty of options for both speed and flexibility. Whether you want to connect to a nearby server for better performance or access content from another region, the global network keeps your connection smooth and consistent. Then there's Clean Web. So that's Surfshark's built-in ad and tracker blocker. This feature automatically filters out intrusive ads, malware, and phishing attempts before they even load on your screen. It not only improves security, but also makes websites load faster since you're not wasting bandwidth on unwanted content. Another core feature is camouflage mode, which actually hides your VPN usage entirely. Some countries, workplaces, or streaming services block connections that look like VPNs, but with camouflage mode, your encrypted traffic looks like a normal connection, so you can browse freely even on restricted networks. And finally, no borders mode, which automatically detects when you're in a region with heavy internet restrictions and then adjusts your service settings to keep your connection stable and private. It's really helpful for travelers or anyone working in places with strict online policies. These core features are what make Surfshark a flexible VPN for both everyday users and private enthusiasts. But where it really stands out is the settings most people overlook, and that's what we're going to dive into next with 5 advanced tips to help you get the most out of it. Tip number 1 is to use MultiHop for extra security. So if privacy is your top priority, MultiHop is a feature you definitely should be using. Normally your VPN connection routes through one server, but with MultiHop, Surfshark sends your traffic through 2 servers in different countries. For example, you can connect through the US first and then exit through the Netherlands. This adds an extra layer of encryption and makes tracking your activity nearly impossible. It's especially useful if you're doing sensitive research, working remotely with confidential data, or just want maximum privacy online. You can enable MultiHop by opening the Surfshark app, selecting MultiHop from the left-hand menu, and choosing your preferred server pair. Keep in mind that this actually might slow your connection slightly, but honestly, the added privacy is definitely worth it for specific tasks. Tip number 2 is to switch to WireGuard for speed. If you've ever noticed slower speeds on your VPN, switching protocols can really help. Surfshark supports several VPN protocols, but WireGuard is the fastest and most modern option. It's really lightweight, secure, and optimized for both speed and reliability. To enable it, you just open your settings inside the app, go to VPN settings, protocol, and select WireGuard. You'll usually see an instant improvement in download and streaming speeds, especially if you're on Wi-Fi. This is one of those small adjustments that most people really overlook, but it can make your VPN experience feel much smoother, especially for HD streaming or gaming. Tip number 3 is to enable the kill switch. This one's essential for anyone who really values security. So the kill switch is a safety net that automatically cuts your internet connection if your VPN drops out of the blue. Without it, your real IP address could leak for a few seconds before the VPN reconnects. All you have to do to turn it on is go to settings, VPN settings, kill switch, and toggle it on. Once it's activated, your connection will immediately stop if the VPN disconnects. You can reconnect safely once Surfshark Surfshark establishes a new tunnel. This feature is especially important if you're working on public Wi-Fi, torrenting, or handling really sensitive business information. Tip number 5 is to try rotating IP for extra privacy. So Surfshark actually just recently introduced rotating IP, which automatically changes your IP address every few minutes while keeping your VPN connection stable. This means websites can't easily track you or link your sessions together. It's a great way to stay extra private when you're browsing or doing research online. All you have to do to use it is open Surfshark settings, go to privacy, rotating IP, and turn it on. The feature runs in the background, so you won't even notice it's happening, but it just gives you, again, that extra layer of protection against tracking and profiling. If you want to browse without leaving a digital trail, this is one of the most powerful settings that you can use. Tip number 5 is use split tunneling for flexible connections. Sometimes you don't want your entire internet connection going through the VPN, especially if you're using apps that require your real location, like maybe online banking or delivery services. So Surfshark's split tunneling feature actually lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN and which connect normally. For example, you could route your streaming apps through the VPN for privacy while leaving your business tools connected directly to your local network. So to set this up, all you do is go to settings, bypass on the desktop or split tunneling on mobile, and then select the apps or websites you want to exclude from the VPN. This is just going to give you so much flexibility and keep your speeds fast, which just makes Surfshark easier to use day to day without constantly switching. Okay, now that we've covered the advanced tips, let's talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. The biggest pro is unlimited devices. You can protect everything you own, laptops, phones, TVs, under one account, which really makes it incredibly affordable if you have multiple users in your household. The second is just ease of use. Even though Surfshark has advanced settings, the interface is super simple. You can enable all of these features in just a few clicks without technical knowledge. The third pro is speed. With WireGuard and high quality servers, Surfshark keeps up with streaming and large downloads pretty easily. Another advantage is strong privacy policies. So Surfshark is based in the Netherlands, which is part of a region known for privacy-friendly laws, and it also has a very strict no-logs policy. As for the cons, there's honestly only a few. So because of its advanced features, some users might find it pretty overwhelming at first. The number of settings and terms like MultiHop and kill switch can sound pretty complicated until you've actually tried them. Another con is occasional streaming server delays. So while Surfshark works with major streaming sites, you may have to try a few servers before finding one that unblocks a specific platform. Overall, though, the pros far outweigh the cons, especially for users who value privacy, speed, and simplicity. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about their different plans and pricing options. If you want to check them out, we do have an exclusive link in the description below, and you can kind of follow along the pricing with me. Okay, so Surfshark always has a 30-day money-back guarantee, but they are right now having a Black Friday sale going on right now. If you are wanting to check them out, I'd really highly recommend doing it ASAP to get this Black Friday deal. Now, as you can see, they have a couple options here. We've got 1 month, 12 month, or 24 months. You can save on the 12 and 24 month plans, but you're going to save the most on the 24 months, so just the longer contract term. But again, all of these have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So again, if you try it out and you don't love it, you can always get your money back, which is really, really cool. So we've got 3 plans here. We've got the starter, the 1, and the 1 plus. Right now, you can save 87%. Each of these plans also, on top of the 24 months, you get 3 extra months free. So you got the 30-day money-back guarantee and the 3 months extra, and you're saving up to 88% on each of these plans. So the Surfshark starter is 87% off, which is $1.99 per month. With this, you get the VPN and alternative ID. In the Surfshark 1 plan, you get everything in the starter plan, but you also get antivirus, alert, and search. And then lastly is the 1 plus. So this is just $4.19 per month. With this plan, you get everything in Surfshark 1, but you also get data removal by incognito. If you want to check out even more features, again, click our link and then go ahead and click view all features, and you can see everything. It's a really great way to compare. So again, you can choose a plan that best fits your needs. If you don't feel like you need the antivirus, then Surfshark Starter will be plenty for you. So is Surfshark for you? If you want a VPN that's simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for advanced users, Surfshark is one of the best options on the market. It combines the key things that matter most, like privacy, speed, and reliability, with a clean interface that makes advanced settings super easy to use. Whether you're a freelancer working remotely, a traveler connecting to public Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, or just someone who values privacy, Surfshark can handle it all. And with the 5 settings we covered, MultiHop, WireGuard, kill switch, rotating IP, and split tunneling, you can fine-tune your connection to match exactly how you work or browse online. If you want to take your privacy and security to the next level, it's absolutely worth trying, and their 30-day money-back guarantee just makes that really easy to do. Privacy online does not have to be complicated, and Surfshark makes it super easy to stay protected while still enjoying speed and flexibility. If you want to check out Surfshark for yourself, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is all about helping you understand VPN tools, privacy settings, and cybersecurity in a practical way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.